Good morning, children. Welcome to all of you. Today we are going to study the chapter 7 of A Pact with the Sun, called The Wonder Called Sleep. Let us start reading at first. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. Sleep is a state of rest and unconscious rest. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by the day's activities. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. In this paragraph, the writer wants to say us what is sleep. As you know that sleep is a state of rest and it is an unconscious rest. And what happens during our sleep? That when we sleep, our body recovers from tiredness caused by the day's activities. And after a good sleep, it gives us the rest and we become alert again for the next day's activities. Now the second paragraph. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep. We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. This paragraph tells us that when we arise from the sleep in the morning, we are not aware about what happens during our sleep. But if we dream during the sleep, we may remember it. And the rest part seems to us that they are dark. Now next paragraph. Several things happen to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, our muscles relax more and more. Our heartbeat becomes slower, our temperature and blood pressure go down. The ever-active brain also slows down so that we can't think or act consciously, but we dream. Now, the other things that the writer wants to say us, that what happens during our sleep, that many things happens during our sleep, and when we goes into the deeper sleep, our muscles become comfortable more and more, and our heartbeat becomes slower, and temperature and blood pressure also go down, and the ever active brain is also becomes slow, and we can't think as we think in the consciousness, but we dream. Yes, we can dream only. Next paragraph. When we wake up, our temperature and blood pressure rise to normal, our heartbeat and breathing also become normal, and we are fully awake and have forgotten most, if not the dreams that we had while sleeping. When we wake up in the morning, we become alert and active, and our blood pressure also comes to the normal point, and we have no anything about the sleeping, and we only remember the dream while sleeping. That is the end of this part. Now I am going to give you a few questions regarding it. You must answer this, and when the school will open on perhaps on 8th February 2021, you will show it to me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.